Okay, stop. We're gonna have so much fun with this robotic droid with R2. He's so cool. Hey everybody, it's your Best Friend Toys Club, and look, we've got, oh my gosh, it's the best R2D2 ever in the entire world. It's a Thinkway interactive robotic droid, exclusive at Toys R Us. You can only get it at Toys R Us, and you better get it quick because it's always selling out right now. It's almost impossible to get, but I know you can probably get one if you really try hard. So this is R2, and we just got the remote control going, and it does 1,000 different programmable combos. It's so cool. So watch, we're gonna have R2 spin around right now. So this is so cool. It's the best R2D2 ever in the entire world. Look, we're gonna get him to spin around now. Spin around, R2. That's so awesome. Do it again. Oh, and he goes both ways, see? And at night he projects a hologram of Princess Leia on the wall. Look.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
Woohoo! Help, Obi-Wan Kenobi, your only hope. So this is the coolest Star Wars toy ever, the gigantic R2D2 robotic droid right here. And it's almost just like a real R2D2. It's so cool, look. We got the remote control right here. And he's so cool. He can go all around and move forward. And he can turn around in circles. This is the coolest droid ever. And he shines Princess Leia on the wall. Woo! Yeah. And now turn around, R2. Woo! And he's all remote control. Woohoo! And then we turn him around. Oh, and he goes both ways too, see? This is the best Star Wars toy ever in the entire world. It's like having your own real R2D2. A robotic droid. And it's remote control, so people would just think like it's R2D2 rolling around everywhere. R2. Spin around. And he does 1,000 different programmable combos and goes in all different sorts of directions and does all the R2 voices and... No! Don't hit the surfboard, R2. Here, turn around. Woo. This is so cool. You gotta get this. It's the best R2D2 toy ever. We're taking R2 everywhere. Woohoo! Look out, R2! Yoo-hoo! We're gonna turn right. And he even beams Princess Leia on the wall like you saw. But it's up. Come forward, R2. Oh no, come forward, R2. Okay, stop. Back. Woo. Woo. Stop! Okay, spin around. It's like better than a dog. I'm telling you, having your own robotic droid, interactive R2 robotic droid is the craziest thing ever. It has a microphone and everything. And then it projects Princess Leia on the wall.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi.
It's sort of my surfboard. Yay! Okay, spin around one more time for everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe, everybody. New videos every day. We're unboxing Darth Vader next. The super awesome action figure animatronic Darth Vader. But one more time, spin around. R2, he's going backwards. That is so awesome. That's the best Star Wars toy ever in the entire world. You gotta get it. Only a Toys R Us exclusive Thinkway toys. It's so cool. Spin around, R2. We're gonna have so much fun with this robotic droid with R2. He's so cool. Oh no! Thanks for watching. New videos every day. Make sure to like and subscribe. Woo, send friends.